Rick Yerker with Building Specs here. Here we are in a garage. And a garage is a fire-rated assembly. We're trying to prevent the spread of flame from the garage into the living space. So when you're in a garage, it's considered H for hazardous, and once you move into the house, it's considered R for residential. So here we have a house that's been just recently remodeled. The door from the house into the garage is a non-fire rated door. It's supposed to self-close and latch. I just got locked down. Self-closed and latched. But what's important here is this access panel that leads into the crawl space is supposed to also be a fire rated door that self-closes and latches to prevent the spread of flame from the garage into the crawl space. But what I really like most about this particular garage is this emergency access panel that leads from the bedroom into the garage. Why? That's still a mystery. But as we get further into this inspection, I'm sure I'll be able to figure it out. Okay, thanks again. Bye-bye.